Well, here we are again with another project, putting the gate up on the back half of my house. This is a gate that I've used on my other house that I was in for 25 years, and it hung there for a really long time. And this is just the way I like to do it. Instead of building a 2x4 fence with the pieces on it, it's very heavy, especially when it's pressure treated. And I don't care what hinges you use, the ones they sell you at Home Depot and stuff like that, they don't hold up. So what I do is I get this from Tractor Supply. And I think the last time I bought one, these were like 56 bucks, and now they're 99. So what I do is I buy these, which have these really nice bolts that go right into here. You gotta drill them right and make sure they fit just right. Otherwise, if it puts too much pressure on this 4x4, it'll crack it eventually later on. It'll split it, because once it starts drying, the pressure from that bolt will split to do it just right. And the key to this, the reason why I make it this wide, is so that I can get my lawnmower through here. Had fences go up, and you couldn't get through there with your lawnmower. So that the fence, I'll put it on this side. I do put a 2x4 here and a 2x4 here to narrow the gap up. So I see my measurement. That's about where I want to put it. I have the deck up on that lawnmower all the way up. I didn't want to bring this way up here, but I'm afraid I'm going to have to. You end up with a little bit of gap there, that's for sure. What I've done, put some bricks here to hold that, put a piece of rope there. Yeah, that's a big gap, but I have to do it down there, get my deck through that bottom rail. This one stays right there. Marked it off for the distance, more or less. Hope it slip in there a little bit better, maybe. Now that feels good. Yeah. Glad I sprayed it. Plus this wood's pretty wet. Unbelievable. Right on the bubble level. Yeah, we'll do 49 inches. Now you're probably wondering, how is he going to attach wood to this fence? Okay, well, first of all, what I have to make sure of is that I have the space right where that bolt's gonna go. I want this to probably go flush, so that's about right. A little bit further in, see, yeah, that'll work right there. I'll have this to where it goes right there, covers that gap, somewhere like that, so that I can put my handle on here and go through here and lock up behind it, because I'm gonna push this gate in, not out. So I want that there. I want this at least like that, somewhere like that. So I can adjust this, so as long as I get it right here. So I guess you can see where I'm going with this. So I cut 3 boards, 49, and this is the front. I made sure of that, and we'll drill it out. I bought a stainless steel. Yeah, it should be out. Yep. I have them all tightened on. Put it up there. And that's where those boards will go. Now I have something to screw to. And that's the way I want it to open. Okay, well, I finished up getting all the wood on the gate. Bolting it all on. Run a string line for my height. The boards. I've got them cut off here. I'll grind those down so my dog doesn't get into them. That could hurt. And then I'm going to make a little view hole here for my dog to look out of. All right. Good morning. Took a day off. It's Sunday. March 3rd already. So I got all the wood on. I haven't put all the screws in it yet. And yes, I built a little lookout for my dog, the latch on. Mounted that on there. Since this is all just really rigged up, that's where I'm at with that. The bolt in there. Got it. I can move this over further if I have to. And they give you this with it, but it's not long enough, of course. Put this back through. Yeah. Works a lot better. Well, pretty much done here. Got my little bars on, but that's how it came out. Like I said, if you want a no-sag gate for many years, this is the way I go. I had this on my other house. Come over here, and even a threaded rod to go all the way in and tie into the stud in here, and that will hold all this up. But this is the way I did it in my other house, and I had one of these there for 15 years and it never sagged. Yep. So, I appreciate everybody watching. Tell me what you think about this. Am I crazy or what? This lasts a long time. I've done it before. Thanks a lot for watching. Any comments are welcome. If you think it's a pretty good idea, let me know. And we'll see you on the next one.